Okay, I hope I'm recording well. I apologize if I did. Let me check. Okay, yeah. If I did previously record my drive out of the house, it would be interesting, but I didn't have the foresight because it's incredibly slippery. I managed to start the car. Thankfully today is a bit warmer. I can't go yet because it's so bad now that I need 2 lanes. Here it isn't too bad, but if I showed you the drive to the church like I usually do for the first leg of my journey, and even here I feel that grip is not full, but there, yeah, I was going 20 kilometers per hour and I was still sliding on the main road. The reason, by the way, why I often stop there is because we have an incline at home, so that's basically one of the shortest paths that I have that requires like a minute or 2 of driving, but if there are problems with measurements of like oil or water or coolant or stuff like this, it's at least early enough that one can stop, turn off the engine, and check if something is impacted by how the car was standing. And it's also relatively safe because it's not near the road, like on the side of the road or something. And yes, half of the grip is gone because, well, more than half, because there is snow between the tire, like between the, I forget how the pattern is called in English on the tire pattern. Forgot the word. In Polish it's bieżnik. Basically, how is tire running, or what's its running scheme, running pattern. That's what it is. It's already much better. I feel like I lose a lot early because the tires are a bit frozen, and what's the snow that's in them, it's like frozen after night more, so it sticks. But even now I have less grip than usually. But first 2 or 3 minutes were like, whoo! And what didn't help was that there was a car here blocking half of the road. Okay, it's thankfully not here anymore because it was standing here in the entrance, but it was like you had to go like this or more, so you were almost driving of the road to not hit it. So yeah. Okay, I'll stop now. Have a good day. But I hope it was a good update. Like, share, subscribe. Take care.